Everyone, I am Nishi Malvia. Today we will talk about home automation system which is an IoT based application. What is IoT? The Internet of Things refers to a system of interrelated internet connected objects that are able to collect and transfer data over a wireless network without human intervention. It describes the network of physical objects, things that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. Over the past few years, IoT has become one of the most important technologies of the 21st century. Using IoT, communication is possible between people, processes, and things. Technologies that made IoT possible. While the idea of IoT has been in existence for a long time, a collection of recent advances in a number of different technologies has made it practical. Access to low cost, low power sensor technology, connectivity, cloud computing platforms, machine learning and analytics, conversational artificial intelligence. Now, home automation system. What is home automation? Home automation is building automation for a home called smart home. It is the process of controlling home appliances automatically using various control system techniques. The electrical and electronic appliances in the home, such as fan, lights, outdoor lights, fire alarm, kitchen timer, etc., can be controlled using various control techniques. When connected with the internet, home devices are an important constituent of the Internet of Things. There are various techniques to control home appliances, such as IoT based home automation over the cloud, home automation under Wi Fi through Android apps from any smartphone, Arduino based home automation using digital control, RF based home automation system, and touchscreen based home automation. Now, why home automation is necessary? It makes tasks more convenient. Many tasks that are repetitive in nature can be accomplished automatically or with fewer steps with home automation. It saves money on utilities. Utilities can amount to several $100 per month. Home automation can save money. Home security. Although home security is a priority for everyone, home automation provides an inexpensive solution to home security, good for the environment. In a time when we are all becoming more environmentally aware, home automation provides a good solution to help preserve our natural resources. Peace of mind. Never again worry about your home while you are away. Using home automation, video cameras, and an internet connection, you can check on the status of your home or kids from anywhere in the world using a PC or a web enabled phone, something the whole family can enjoy. You will find home automation will bring the family closer together as everyone learns about the technology's capabilities together. Here, working of IoT based home automation system is discussed. The Internet of Things based home automation system, as the name suggests, aims to control all the devices of your smart home through internet protocols or cloud computing basic setup. Let us understand in detail the working of different devices that constitute the home automation system. Controller, it is the brain of your system. It is the most essential part of home automation system. All the IoT based sensor transmits or receive commands through the centralized hub. The hub in turn receives the input or communicates the output to cloud network located over the internet. Smart devices, the sensory organs of your home. Several smart devices are used for different applications. All these devices are integrated over a common network established by gateway and connected in a mesh network. Thus, all the sensors within a common network can perform crosstalk via the main controller unit. Commonly used sensor hubs are smart plugs. Wireless connectivity. How the internal communication occurs. Most of home automation systems available today work on three wireless protocols: Wi-Fi, Zigbee, and Z-Wave. The Zigbee and Z-Wave controllers are assigned a network ID which is distributed over other sensors in the network. Depending on the availability of the shortest path signal from the controller, signal will travel to the target sensors either directly or through signal hops. Next, connected with the cloud. It involves storage and maintenance of data over the internet location. User over the cloud network can send commands to the hub even from a remote location. Hub send the signal for intended sensors to trigger and perform the user requested action. Then the hub will update the status of action taken, and in this way users can control and monitor their smart homes. Events and notification. Real time monitoring and notification is one of the key features of IoT based home automation system. Once the hub transfers the desired signal to the target sensor and the desired action takes place, it will quickly upload the new status over the cloud, notifying user instantaneously through emails, SMS, calls, or app notification. Home automation applications. Home automation is prevalent in a variety of different ways, including heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It is possible to have remote control of all home energy monitors over the internet, incorporating a simple and friendly user interface. Lightning control system. It incorporates communication between various lighting system inputs and outputs using one or more central computing devices. Smart grid and smart meter. security alarm, indoor positioning system, smart kitchen and connected cooking, pet feeder. Thanks for watching the video.